Hey everyone, we're here at Mystic Hot Springs in Utah. We're only here because of you, Cindy, so thumbs up for that recommendation. But we've been on the road for 4 days now, and we're going to do a video to see just how fast we can set up camp. We think we have it pretty well dialed in, but let's just see how fast we can do it. Let's go. Let's say faster, Tori. Faster. Faster.
I'm letting you have a minute before I start yelling at you. Ooh! Ooh, can you do it in 1 minute? Oh, nope. Okay, 1 minute, 8 seconds. Oh, that actually means it only took like 40 seconds to set up the whole thing. Aren't you forgetting something? Are you forgetting something? No? Oh, you got it. I thought you forgot the sake.
I didn't forget anything.
I thought you forgot the sake.
Come here. This right here is the best invention in the world. It'll jumpstart your car. It's got 12 volts out, 19 volts out, USB, and any 12 volt appliance will work in it. That thing is one of my most valued possessions.
Okay, cheers. Cheers and you're done.
Chairs, pillows, camp stove. Time.
3:18.
Oh, not fast enough, Corey.
But you talked for 30 seconds first, so you're now only at 3 minutes total.
I talked for like 10 seconds.
No, it was 30. I swear, I'm not lying to you. Not just flattering you.
Alright, I got time now. Check.
Woo! Now we're just waiting on the mattress. That's what I'm saying. Now we're just waiting on the mattress. There's nothing else we can do. Unless you want to stake the tent.
Not tonight, last night. What time?
4:39.
Oh, it's in the car.
Woo! That is 5-minute camping.
5 minutes. See? Build a car like that and you can camp like a king. 5 minutes or less.
Happy adventures.